at the Thunderbird trail. This is my first time coming here. Not sure what to expect. There's also a little park here for the kids. So it's pretty nice. It's in a nice neighborhood area also. I hope you guys can hear me because it's a little windy, so I'm gonna talk a little bit loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the trail. So right here we got a trail mark sign. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow it. I'm guessing it's through here. It goes like a little zigzag. Goes left and right and then left again. So let me see to the other side, see what I see from there. So the trail continues. It's a little fresh today. It's actually a perfect weather. It is kind of windy. I mean, it is windy. So I hope you guys can hear me with the wind in the background. I want to try and talk as loud as I can. Like I say right now, I don't see much to see right now. So let me get to the top hill over there. So on this trail I can see like cars coming in here. I can see a vehicle, like a street. So I don't know if this is part of the trail. I'm gonna go ahead and see from here. I see like a little building over there. So this might be the trail, so let me check over here on this side. So I'm trying to find like a little trail sign somewhere. See right here are the houses. And right here's a mountain, so I mean I think we can climb up there also. But I'm not seeing no trail sign anywhere. So now I made it to the top area, to the building, a little tank right here. So this is a trail. It looks like I'm in the right spot now. Right here is not much to see. It is getting windy. Right here you see the tank. Let's see the other side. See, I see over there. So from right here, you got a nice view right here in the west side of town. Looks beautiful out here. You got two more tanks down there. And then right here's the other one. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep going further. I'd rather go back there because I got a little mountain cave that I saw from here. So maybe next time I can go straight through here. But since the wind's picking up, I'm gonna go ahead and turn back and go to see that little mountain cave that I saw. So let me go ahead and return back. So yeah, it's getting real windy, and as you can see, there's dust out there. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. So right here, I don't know if you guys can see from here, there's like a little mountain cave up here. I can see it from right here. I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. I'd rather be up there in the mountain than this. I see what I'm seeing right now. This is like a walking trail only, and it takes us to Trans Mountain, which is it's nice out there too. But I'd rather, it's pretty far where I'm at, so I'm gonna go ahead and check out this cave first. So right here, we gotta be careful. Make sure we don't step on nothing. See any snakes or spiders. I don't see a trail through here, but I'm trying to get a shortcut to get to that top part over there. I don't know if you can see that yet, but hopefully, you know, get there safely. So let me get myself more closer over there. I know there's a lot of cactus on the floor, guys, little one, so I gotta be careful. I found like a little trail, so hopefully it leads me up there. Now I'm gonna take a shortcut. So yeah, I just gotta be cautious. A lot of stuff are popping out everywhere, a lot of cactus. So make sure you bring boots too, like I always say. I did bring gloves, but right now I don't need them. So I wanna try and go up there to the left side. So let me get myself a little bit closer. There's like a little trail right here. So right here, we're gonna have to cross, going down. Get through there safer. Now we made it across. It's a little struggle. We had to put our clothes on. I see marks right here on the rocks. So it's right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start walking up there and see what's up there. As we're walking, we could see little spray can spots right here. They got like a blue, turquoise, and over here we got our green spots right here, or spray paint. So that's pretty cool. I guess it's telling us which way to go. I see some more over there also. Yeah, right here we got one right here, another one. and a few green spots. And I'm blowing over there by the cactus. And I just keep seeing more and more. So let me get up there, guys. So now we're getting closer. You can see there's an arrow right there. See how they helped us out with that. And they're bright colors, so you can see too also. I don't know they glow, but that helped me out a little bit. So you can see it's right there. I'm trying to get to that rock. It looked like a cave from where I was at. Probably not, it's probably just a shade. But let's go check it out. Now we're here. As you can see, there's already writing here. So you know this is a chill spot for sure. It's not big, but it looks pretty cool from far away. Let me get right to the... Okay, over here. And this is it. Right here. It's a nice cool rock. It looks nice from far away. And the dark shade I was looking at was part of this one. So there is no cave. It looked like one though, but it's still nice to come up to and check it out. And of course the view from here, that's the west side town. So we're in the mid-high of the mountain, not that high. But you know, let's see what's over here on the other side. Okay, right here we got, so we do have a little cave. It's small. Pretty cool in here actually. There's an exit out there. Pretty nice. Did not expect this. Hopefully there's no snakes in here. Looks pretty dope though. Pretty cool. Also got like a little hole right here. So I think the snakes do come in here. I hope they don't come in here right now. What's a little break. I mean, it's pretty cool, man, because you can actually camp in here. So let me show you behind the cave, the top part. Let me climb up a little bit. And here's the back of it. It's pretty nice shape. The eyeball. Got some more art here. And this will be the other side of the hole. You actually fit through the hole? Oh. Oh wow. And over there on the other side will be the Ron Coleman Trail. Right there in the top side. I think so, but it looks like it, because I could tell by the shape of the rock. So the McKillick Canyon is right on the other side from this mountain side. So very nice. This is also my first time here. Nice views here. I was thinking of going more higher to see what's up there. Maybe to that tip of that mountain. As I'm going up, I could see like little trails from here. Not sure you can see it from here. You can see like little ones. That's pretty awesome. Not sure what that leads to, but it's like just zigzags everywhere. So I'm almost to the top. So right here, I'm about to put my gloves on. Because right here I'm gonna have to really climb. Just the way the rocks are shaped for my safety. I don't want to fall. We're almost there. But right here we really have to climb. And we gotta watch out with all these cactus, you know, all the stuff that's around here. So let me get to the top. I know how Jesus does it, right? So he used to do it. So we're taking a break. We found another way to get up there because the way we're going through got too windy and it was a little dangerous. So this one looks more smoother. As you can see, we're kind of close by already. So we're gonna go ahead and start walking up there already. So as soon as we're done with our break, we're gonna go ahead and start climbing up there. So we're gonna see what the views are from up there. You know that was higher, it's getting worse, the wind. Well, it's dangerous, guys. You know, dangerous. Don't do this when it's windy. Be careful when you guys come. Okay, we're still behind this rock because the wind's real strong. I know you guys can see it, but we're already to the top. It's just that it's real dangerous. Started walking up and it was pushing me. Like big time, like a tornado style, I don't know. So I'm gonna hide behind this rock for now. Halfway down, there's the top part we try to go up to, but it's too windy up there. And right here we're like between the mountains, so it's not really that windy, but it's windy, but not as bad as up there. Kind of disappointed because I really wanted to go up there and see what was up there. All made it down, we have to go straight all the way down. Right track right there. Let's go through the side right here. See the big mountain that we're gonna go through. Now we're gonna get through over here. It's like a little river, rock river. It takes us out through the entrance. There's a beautiful view right here going through this little rock river. Very nice. As you can see, the sun wants to go down already, so we're trying to beat the sun. Trying to get to the destination. There's the cave that we're at right there in the mountain right there. That's the cave